Good evening, parents and families, to Don Estridge High-Tech Middle School. Would you please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. On behalf of our entire team, I would like to cordially welcome you to the Don Estridge High-Tech Middle School Curriculum Night. And now for the reason why we're all here this evening. Academics, academics, academics. Academics is why our school was built. Academics is why you as parents selected our school for your children. Academics is why I became a teacher and administrator. Teaching and learning is what we are all about. Tonight's event provides an opportunity for our instructional team to share academic expectations as well as the required state standards and statutes we will be covering this school year. Our teachers follow the best standards in English, language arts, and mathematics, and state standards in all other subjects. A complete and comprehensive list of all state standards can be found at cpoms.org. I would first like to take this opportunity to recognize the outstanding job last year by our teachers and our students. Last year we began the school year still operating under COVID restrictions. Our teachers and our students rose above all of the challenges and exceeded expectations. Through their efforts, they raised our school grade 63 points, making us the second highest performing middle school in Palm Beach County and the 22nd highest performing middle school in the state of Florida. To our new 6th grade Dragon families, I would be remiss if I didn't share that the adjustment to middle school hours of operation is very challenging. Our school is a late start middle school, which is a kind way of saying it's a late ending middle school. Dismissal is not until 4:05. By the time our students get home, it's late. I encourage all of our families to create systems and schedules of support for the students each night. I encourage everyone to sit down with their students and create a nightly schedule. There should be a time for homework, a time for dinner, a time for personal hygiene, and a time for relaxation. Parents, by allowing our students the opportunity to create the schedule, it gives our students the opportunity to display responsibility around their education, which is really what we're all looking for in the first place. We want our children to take their education seriously and be active in their learning. Should you have any questions or concerns, the first step is to contact your child's teacher. The classroom teacher is directly responsible for the instruction delivered in your child's classroom. Should you need further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to our grade level guidance counselor and our assistant principals. However, the person with the intimate first-hand knowledge surrounding your child's education is your child's classroom teacher. They are the state licensed professional educator in the classroom. In regards to all academic and behavioral classroom related concerns, I encourage all of our parents to reach out to their child's teacher before contacting administration. The one area that I caution parents to continue to exercise their authority is over the use of electronic devices and social media. Parents, 99.9% of our disciplinary issues or socialization issues stem directly from social media and messaging via electronic devices. We strongly encourage parents to monitor their children's electronic devices, social media accounts, messaging apps, and email. Please obtain your child's account credentials and monitor them frequently. Additionally, we strongly recommend taking your child's electronic devices away from them while they are in the bedroom sleeping. As always, if you see something, say something. Please do not hesitate to reach out immediately should you have any safety or security concerns. If you are concerned about anonymity, please download and utilize the Safer Watch app to report tips and suspicious activity available in the Apple Play and Google App stores. In closing, I would like to take a minute to recognize our outstanding award-winning PTSA for all of their efforts and help and support. If we were a private school, we would have an administrator in charge of community outreach and fundraising. Our phenomenal PTSA president, Mrs. Arith Shemesh, and her team does an absolutely amazing job supporting our school and our students and our teachers. This past year, our PTSA was awarded Palm Beach County's PTSA of the Year, and we were also awarded the PTSA National School of Excellence Award. If you have not yet had the opportunity, please take a minute tonight to join our PTSA. Please do not hesitate to reach out and say hello. I look forward to seeing everyone in the hallways this evening. Have a great evening.